Every passing day, we're getting some good news regarding the Galaxy Z Flip 5, and this is another good news for you. Also, don't forget the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is going to come with the new color options, and some of the color options are already confirmed, and there is one bad news for you guys. Galaxy Z Flip 5 will going to come with some exclusive color options, and 3 colors are confirmed. As per Anthony, Flip 5 will going to come with blue, pink, and yellow color. But before this, Ross Young, a display supply chain consultant, shared his color options, where in total, there will be 8 color options for the Galaxy Z Flip 5. New addition of colors including blue, green, platinum, and yellow. And other 4 color options will be beige, gray, light green, and light pink. Samsung did this on purpose to add more color options in the Galaxy Z Flip 5 because as per Anthony, and now this thing is confirmed, Galaxy Z Flip 5 will going to come with only one single colored side. The other side will be all black due to a bigger display. So the ones who like Bespoke Edition should look somewhere else, and there is no chance that we are going to get a Bespoke Edition. But there is one solution you can do with the Flip 5. Make the Bespoke Edition with the color cases. These are the new cases, and you can use 2 different cases to make your own Bespoke Edition. And it also confirms the cover display of Galaxy Z Flip 5. Remember I talked about Samsung changed the release location and date, where they're going to Seoul, South Korea for the launch, which is even confirmed by Samsung, and the release date will be 27th of July, not 26th. But now another big rumor came out. Samsung is going to do 2 events for the Flip 5, one in South Korea, and the other one will going to happen in United States, but the date will be different. In US, the expected date for an event will be 11th of August, a usual date for the launch of foldable devices. But this never happens before, where Samsung did 2 events for the same phone. Although along with the Flip 5, you are getting a couple of new devices, including Fold 5, Tab S9, Watch 6, and Galaxy Buds. We have more rumors about Galaxy Z Flip 5, and it is a good news. As for Anthony, the gap between the hinge is barely noticeable, which means it is coming with a flat folded design, which is much better than the U-shaped hinge on the previous generation. And by getting this new water drop hinge, the crease on Flip 5 is getting better. It will not totally gone, but will be less visible compared to the previous generation, more like an Oppo Find N2. Although by getting this new hinge design, there will be one missing feature, the flex mode, as you cannot freestop the hinge. So for this, Samsung tried a new solution. We are getting a new flex mode for the Flip 5 because the new software is coming. Even new rumors out where Samsung releases a new version of Nice Catch app, and it mentioned it will have a support for One UI 5.1.1, which is going to release with the launch of Flip 5, and the updates are coming on One UI 5.1.1. In stock apps, flex mode, new widgets for bigger cover display, new apps for Flip 5. As you guys might know, Flip 5 is going to come with the bigger cover display where you don't even need to open the phone for basic tasks. If you guys are concerned about the durability of Galaxy Z Flip 5, then you should watch this video. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time. Till then, peace out.